Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell stock on Charles Schwab. First, log into your account using the website or mobile app. Navigate to your portfolio to view your holdings. Identify the stock you wish to sell. You will need to know the ticker symbol and the number of shares. We will cover market orders versus limit orders and how to confirm your sale. This guide makes the process straightforward and easy to follow. Before placing your order, decide between a market order and a limit order. A market order executes instantly at the best available price, which is great for quick sales. However, for more control over the selling price, a limit order allows you to set a minimum price you are willing to accept. Your order will only fill if the stock reaches that price or higher. Think about your goals and the current market conditions. To place your sell order, find the stock in your portfolio and click Trade. Choose Sell and then input the number of shares you want to divest. Select your chosen order type, either market or limit. If using a limit order, specify your desired price. Always double-check all the details on the confirmation screen, including the stock symbol, quantity, and order type, before submitting. After submitting your order, monitor your account's activity or order status to confirm the trade executed successfully. The proceeds from your sale will typically settle into your account within 2 business days, becoming available for withdrawal or reinvestment. Remember to consider the tax implications of your sale, as capital gains may apply. For more financial insights and other great deals, check out the description below. It includes a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.